Money will come so quick and so fast that you'll be wondering where it was all these lean years. That's a quote by Napoleon Hill from the book Think and Grow Rich, a book that I've studied. And in this video, I'm going to teach you, some of those principles that really help me out when it comes to like opening up the floodgate of abundance in your life. And it all comes down to relationships, like your spiritual relationship with abundance and money and accepting. All of us grew up, if you grew up struggling, you're not currently experiencing abundance right now in your life. It's because of this relationship you have with money. A lot of us grew up with the belief that money is evil, or money is the root of all evil, or in order to get money, you probably had to do something bad. They have shows like American Greed that emphasize this, of stories of people that their motivation was money, caused them to do some bad things. And all that information that we've gathered through our lives, since we were a baby all the way up to however old you are now, you've gotten certain information about money and abundance. And you got it from, movies. The bad guy in the superhero movie is probably the rich guy, right? You got it from your parents arguing. Maybe they argued about money and not having enough money for rent or for bills or for groceries. And you've seen that money was the cause of those arguments. And you've seen it on television shows. You've seen it on news and media where they say, rich billionaires did this and did this. But the truth is, there's good and bad happening at the same time. And if you were to search, you're going to find a lot of rich people, or people with a lot of money that do a lot of good, and also people who got that money in a good way. You're going to find countless and countless stories. But the thing is, we've been programmed to believe that money is bad, that money is evil, that money is not good. So what happens is, when we're trying to pursue abundance, we're pulling it in and we're pushing it out at the same time because of these inner beliefs about money that we have. And so in order to clear that, to get to that quote, money and riches and abundance will come so fast that you'll be wondering where it was all these lean years, you have to create that new relationship with money. And I did this from a book called 1 Minute Millionaire from Robert G. Allen. He wrote a book, and he had this affirmation thing, and basically to look in the mirror. And I also got this method from Psycho-Cybernetics, from the book Psycho-Cybernetics by Maxwell Maltz. He talks about our self-image. Our self-image is all our belief systems that we've encountered since we were a baby until now. And we can't outperform our self-image. So if our self-image believes I'm a $5,000 a month earner, no matter how hard you work, you're never gonna pass that $5,000 a month. You might do it 1 month, then you'll go lower to the next month. It'll average out on what you believe you're worth every single month. And so Jim Rohn calls it the personal philosophy. Bob Proctor calls it the paradigm. But it's your self-image. It's your accumulation of beliefs of what you believe of yourself and what you believe of the world. If you believe the world is bad, the world is a struggle, it's full of bad situations, you're going to experience that. You're going to attract that in your life. But if you say the world is full of opportunity, is full of abundance, people come to me and give me money, and I attract money 24 hours a day, I like money, I enjoy money 24 hours a day, I get multiple streams of income coming to me, you're going to start experiencing that. But it doesn't happen until your core belief, your self-image believes that. And the whole name of the game now is to get rid of all those negative beliefs and start replacing them with more powerful beliefs about money and abundance. And the way you do that is create money as a study. Start reading good books about money. Start talking to yourself good about money and abundance. Believe you're at 20,000 a month earner, 50,000 a month earner. When I did that, the floodgates opened and I started to experience extreme abundance. So hopefully this helps you out, because I know my students have been killing it when I taught them this lesson. Thank you.